Hi everyone, welcome back to Accounting with Morgan. Today we're going to be talking about the trial balance and how it works, what it is, and how it's structured. So let's start off with the basics. A trial balance is a report that lists the balances of every account in the general ledger. It is used to make sure total debts and total credits are equal. Think of it like a checkpoint before you move on to preparing your financial statements. So why does it matter? A trial balance is one of the first steps in detecting if something is wrong in your entries. If debits don't equal credits, there's an error somewhere. It also helps accountants organize their work and prepare for the next step, creating the income statement, balance sheet, and the statement of cash flows. So for a typical trial balance, you have a column for the account names, a debit column, and a credit column. Each account shows up only once, and its balance will either fall into debit or credit, but not both. At the bottom, both columns should have the same amount. A trial balance is usually prepared at the end of the accounting period, whether it's monthly, quarterly, or yearly. It comes after all the journal entries are posted to the ledger and before the financial statements are made. It's kind of like the bridge between recording and reporting. Now let's look at this example. Notice how the debit and the credit columns are equal. That's what you want to see in a trial balance. Trial balances usually help catch entries posted to the wrong side, wrong amounts, posting twice or not at all, and simple math mistakes. Trial balances don't catch everything. Here's some things that they won't catch. Transactions missing entirely, debits and credits that are both wrong but equal, and then classifying an expense as an asset or other incorrect account use. In summary, a trial balance checks if your books are balanced. It's a crucial step before building financial statements. Errors will show up if totals don't match, but it won't catch every kind of mistake. So always double check accounts, especially before submitting reports. And that's it for today's lesson. I hope this video helped you. Like and subscribe for more accounting videos. And thank you for watching.